And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Happy New Year! It's almost 2019. And today I am bringing to you a New Year's Eve or a New Year's glam look for your party or your get-together, whatever you're doing tonight, that you can just, feel pretty, get fancy, all dolled up, So, without further ado, let's dive into it before the clock strikes midnight. I'm taking a blending brush. This is the Morphe M433, and I'm grabbing the color Nooner in the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to put this in my crease all the way up to my brow bone. Make sure to blend as usual. Lots of blending, blending, blending. Using the same brush, I'm going to take the color Mary in the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to blend that color into the previous color Nooner from the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. I'm then going to grab the color So Good in the James Charles Morphe palette using the same blending brush, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone as a highlighter and then blend the previous color Mary into it. Then I'm going to take a packing brush. This is the Morphe M522, and I'm going to grab the color Trick in the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to place that all over my lid. Using a pencil brush, this is the Morphe M431, I'm going to grab the color Sister in the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to place that in my inner corner and also starting at the beginning inner corner of my lid. Then I'm going to grab the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Kitten Karma, and I'm going to place that all over my lid on top of the color Trick. Using a black liquid liner, this is the Black Studio Liquid Liner by NYX, I'm going to line my eyes and give a little bit of a cat eye flick to it. Using a black pencil liner, this is the Wet n Wild On Edge Long Wearing Eye Pencil, I'm going to line my bottom waterline. Then I'm going to take a liner brush. This is the Morphe M432, and I'm going to grab the color Mary from the James Charles Morphe palette and line my bottom lash line with that. Grab your favorite black mascara and mascara your eyes. For lips, I'm going to take the Honey Rose Lip Sense by Senegence, and I'm going to do 2 layers of that. Then I'm going to take the Pink Champagne Lip Sense by Senegence and do 1 layer of that on top. Then I'm going to top my lips off with the Gold Glitter Lip Sense Gloss by Senegence. I'm going to finish the look by using the Orgasm Blush by NARS. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, give it a thumbs up down below. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and join the Mod Squad family. And if you try this look, hit me up on social media so I can see it. Yeah, also, I want to know what you guys are doing in 2019. Do you have plans? Are you going on vacation? Are you getting married? What is going on in your life this year? And also, if you have a New Year's resolution set, what is it? I am very curious. I love goals. I mean, if you don't know that, I have another channel that's all about life coaching and just organization and goal setting and productivity, and so you can check that out here. But yeah, I love that sort of stuff. So I'm curious to know what kind of goals you guys are setting this year. Got a lot of cool stuff regarding that on the other channel. Go check it out. I also have a vlog channel, so if you want to know more about me and what's going on with my family, you can check that out too. And yeah, so I'd love to hear from you guys. I've enjoyed hanging out with you for a bit. I hope you enjoy your New Year's celebrations, and I will see you in the next year.